G'day, 3 pieces of seam opal from opalshop.com.au, and the origin is Lightning Ridge. The first piece has a nice little bar running right through the stone. See it there coming up. The second piece, from the ends, don't look like there's any colour in it, but I can see coming through here under the skin is some electric green blues, but from the sides there's just a tad of colour through here, and the rest of it is on quite a dark base, so that could possibly become a good stone. The third piece, just another, basically throwing in a bit of colour through here, bar, but also that could go under here, and if it does you might end up with a nice greeny blue stone on darker material. Good luck with your cutting.